Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Today, we are going to do a Boxycharm. But first, go like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me what your variation was like. Yes, mine came late. I know. But I still have hope. So let's get started and see what we got in here. I haven't peeked at anything, so I don't know. It's just, if you don't know either, my box is as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. So we're in this together, all right? Okay, so now that y'all have liked and subscribed and commented, let's get this box open. I am excited. I want makeup. And here we go. This is a base box. This is for the Boxycharm July 2021 unboxing base box. Oh, okay, cute. The theme is called Fantasy. Right there, at the bottom. Yeah, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So let's see what this is all about. I love the whole sea theme. Let's talk about this. It's got the starfish and the shell, pearl, coral. Yes, I'm all about this theme. I'm all about it. And as a matter of fact, I just came back from the beach because I'm in Texas. So I'm only a couple of hours from there. But okay, this is already turning around for me. I'm already loving it. Now, next up we have what's in the box. It's bubble wrapped for one, as you can see. So that's good. We're going to start from the bottom as usual, because you know we never go in order. So we have Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. And here that is, Basic Beauty. If I remember correctly, this is an indie brand, or is it? I don't know. But here it is. And it says, Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. Ready for a quick pamper session for your lips? This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. Well, that sounds nice. And I don't think it's indie. Its MSRP is $18. So wow, that is $18, but okay. Not something I would really ever pay for, especially not that much, but we will try it out. We'll check it out. So next up we have, what is that, Outre? O-U-T-R-E. 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. That sounds nice already. Let's see what that is. Here it is. So it is, this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture and adds nutrients to fresh hair and adds shine. This sounds like something that might be good for after I have a hair, like I chemically treat my hair, or when, you know, after I bleach my hair and color and stuff. That sounds like it might be good for that. So I will hang on to this because, I mean, it sounds like it's good for it. Mudmasky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Okay, I don't know about this one. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming, reduces dark circles. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. Makes sense. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. I wonder what the superfood ingredient is. I'll have to figure that out. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, this serum is ideal for us good types. I don't know. I'm kind of mixed feelings about this one. I don't know. Like, I'm making the best of what they're giving, but I'm not too impressed so far. So, the next one we have is Beauty Bakerie Flour Setting Powder. Flour, F-L-U-R. Okay. Oh, okay. I was like, what is this? It is like a packet of cookies or coffee or whatever. It's cute. Oh, come on. I like this. I don't even want to open the little package. It's so cute. Let's read about it though. This finely milled out translucent flour setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. Okay. This is mine. I am keeping this one for me. For sure. Let's open it. It even has like the nutrition facts right there. That's so cute. It's 100% vegan, is what it says. No calories. 0% gluten. Yay. Okay. Okay, this packaging got a little bit weird there, but it's all good. So that's what it looks like. Very nice. It's called Oat Translucent. Okay, well, I'm still super impressed. And besides, I was kind of needing a setting powder. I finished my other ones. So, right on time, Boxycharm. Well, that was a good one. I'm liking this one. The Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. Here it is. It feels pretty heavy. I've been wondering about this brand. I guess we'll see. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. I'm liking the way that metallic shimmer is sounding. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. MSRP is $50. Oh, the Beauty Bakerie setting powder was MSRP $24. The Mudmasky was MSRP $63. The Ultra 8-in-1 conditioner is MSRP $30. Wow, these are pretty high price this time around. Okay, so here's the Illamasqua. This is why they put all the bubble. It's in a box, okay. Well, it is sealed on both ends, so still can't get it open. It's the nails. It's the nails. Okay. Wasn't expecting it to be this color, but okay. Cruelty free. Well, very nudie. Very pink and nudie neutrals. Some warms. I don't know, I guess I'm not too impressed by the colors, but I would love to try the formula, so that's good. I think this would help me decide on whether or not I would like to further venture on with this product brand. So I guess that's a plus, but so overall on this box, I guess I wasn't really too impressed. I mean, this is the best thing, and this is good too. But the other three items, I mean, I can find a use for them, possibly. I can find a use for them, but just not too impressed by these items, I guess. So, I mean, all in all, it wasn't too bad of a box. It did come late, so blah there, but it was okay. I think, I don't know if it was this month, I've been hearing about for a long time about how the other boxes were getting Norvina and stuff, so this is nothing compared to that. But that's all right. Boxy has done better, they've done worse, but I'm happy with my flower bag. Well, that is it for my review of the Basebox Boxycharm on My Variation. I hope this review has helped you in deciding on if you would like to get it or not, or just in seeing what the different variations are or whatever. So let me know what your variation was like, and let me know what you thought about my variation, or if you've tried any of these products. I'm very interested to know and how well they work or whatever. So, but thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed opening this box with you guys. Everybody be safe. Bye.